Hi my loves, welcome back. So today I have a pretty big Dior haul for you. So I know it's been a while since I've done a sit down video because I have been traveling, and absolutely yes guys, a Saudi and Dubai vlog is coming. So if you love travel vlogs and you love luxury, I would love for you to join the Mim fam. So in today's Dior haul, it's kind of like a delayed Dior haul, but of course I still wanted to show you. Now, before we get into the Dior haul, I actually did want to show you what I'm wearing today. So this top here is this classy, classic scoop neck, 100% fine cashmere knit. I feel like this is like the perfect sort of scoop neck, like it's not too low, but it's high enough. And actually I just came from work. Anyway, the brand this is from is actually called Gentle Herd. And I wanted to introduce you guys to this brand because you know how I've been saying that I kind of want to try and buy more sustainable brands and everything. Anyway, this brand reached out to me and they kindly did send me some things, but I wanted to test it out before showing you guys. And I am happy to say after trying it for a few months now, I really like their products. And I just quickly wanted to show you a few things that I've been wearing because you might have seen it on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I post outfit shots, little unboxings, reels and everything. So go ahead and follow me there. Anyway, you guys know that I went to Saudi, right? And on the plane, I want to be comfortable. It's a long haul flight and I got asked a lot of questions. Where's your cardigan from, Mel? Where's that outfit from? So I wanted to show you. So this sort of really loose open cardigan with pockets. This is in 100% cashmere, is from Gentle Herd. And I have been wearing this so much, not only on the plane, but okay, you know Melbourne weather. One day it is boiling hot, the next day you've got the heater on, and I'm not joking. So this has been my sort of like loungewear and I just love it. The reason why I love Gentle Herd so much, as the name sort of suggests, Gentle Herd, is that all their sort of fabrics, their cashmere, their wool is from Mongolia, and they're gentle. They have a really big ethos on sustainability, transparency, and ethically treating their animals and their workers right. So I really love that about them. And also I did get the pants as well. It's not exactly a matching set, but it's in a beautiful gray, 100% cashmere, 2 pockets on the back. You've got pockets here too. I'll put in a picture of me wearing it at the airport. I can't tell you how soft their cashmere is. They only use the highest quality cashmere and I can really tell from the feel, but the prices are so good. I think they start from about 100 up to, I think the most expensive item was a coat and it was like maybe 200 something. So 2 or 3 times less than the prices I've seen on fine quality cashmere. We're talking about like luxury cashmere, but at really affordable prices. So those 2 things I've already worn. Obviously I've already worn this. And then I also wanted to show you a coat I brought along to Saudi. Saudi is really funny because even though it's warm and you think it's a desert, it gets so cold at night and in the morning. I wanted to pick, this was in their best-selling sort of styles, and this is, I believe it's, yep, this is 100% wool coat. And it is just a classic black coat. It's got a tie that you can wrap, but this was so good to bring on the trip for the colder nights. And you know what? It looks so classy, perfect for work. A black jacket you can never go wrong with. Now, I know a lot of you may be going into spring, summer, but Gentle Herd also don't just do cashmere and wool. They're all about sustainability. So think fabrics like linen, cotton, silk, cashmere, wool. It's just gorgeous quality. You've got to try them. And this coat was like 200 something USD, so really worthwhile. Oh, guys, on their website, they have a 20% off code, but I do have a 30% off code that I found for you guys, and it's just LTK30. So that will get you 30% off everything that you see on the site. So do check it out. I saw on some of the new arrivals that had these gorgeous sort of linen dresses. You guys know I'm very big on linen and cotton dresses and all white. Anyway, there's a couple of things I've really got my eye on, but I was actually looking for a turtleneck and a brown one. I'm loving these warmer tones for fall, and if you're like Melbourne, this, I know it sounds silly, but I could still wear this in spring and sometimes in summer because Melbourne can't decide what it wants to be. So this one here is a mixture of wool and yak wool, and it's not scratchy. Like, one thing that I hate, I don't know about you guys, but you know, whenever I am shopping, I always put my arm through just to see if it's itchy, and it's not. Again, really well priced. And the other thing that I got, I'm really into, like, I'm getting more casual, guys. I don't know if it was like lockdown and COVID and everything, but this is like a coatigan, I guess, in this gorgeous dark taupe color. It's a wool, 50% wool and 50% yak wool. I picked this because it's longer and I wanted to wear this. It's just so cozy, just the quality, I can't tell you. I wish you guys could sort of feel it on screen. So I really wanted to mention that because for my fellow Melburnians, fellow Australians, we're getting into colder weather. And yeah, this is just some great options that if you don't want to pay $800, $1,000, which I've seen Cashmere go for, this is just at a really good price point. Okay, let's move on to all the Dior items. Like I said, this is kind of delayed, guys. So you might see that there's Dior Christmas packaging behind me, so there's a reason for that. I'll start off with this, which is something one of my really good friends got me for sort of like a belated Christmas gift because I wasn't able to see her. So in Feb, I actually caught up with her and she gave me this. And I have opened it already, but I haven't worn it. And again, she knows me so well. They are just me to a T. And in here, she got me these gorgeous Dior hoop earrings with CD on them. And around the hoops, they've just got little, you know, rhinestones. And it's just, yeah, I love hoops. Everyone knows I love hoops, but I don't have anything like this. So let me quickly put them on to show you. Okay, so here we go. Aren't they the most perfect medium-sized hoops with just the perfect touch of sparkle? So that's what they look like on me. I really love them. So thank you so much, babe. You know who you are. So that's the first item. Next up, let's move to something in here. So I actually didn't get this from Dior. I actually got this. I found it on Louisa Via Roma. Now, if you are a customer of Louisa Via Roma, check out, a lot of you may not know, but they have a private sale section. I'm not sure if it's just for certain tiers, but check it out. And anyway, Louisa Via Roma sell Dior, more Dior men's and kids. And yeah, just check that out because kids, tidbit of information for you and a tip. Dior kids size 13, absolutely. If you're petite and you're like a US 2, 4 or 6, you can get away with kids, you know, size 13. Anyway, I saw this come up and I thought this was so classic, and it is just a simple black belt and it is in full grain pebbled with shiny CD there. And although hubby has black belts, the ones that he has gold hardware. So I really wanted to get him one with sort of shiny silver. Silver's kind of younger, you know, and it modernizes an outfit. And look in the sale section because I actually got this from the sale section. So I think this normally retailed at about 1,100-ish Australian dollars. And then there was 30% off. So I ended up paying about 700 something, which is pretty good for a Dior belt because yeah, they've gone up in price as well. So I think hubby is going to love this. So next up is something in here. And again, this is something that I bought earlier, but didn't get a chance to reveal. And talking about belts, this is a belt for me. And I did purchase this from the store. And it is a CD belt. It is the 30 Montane Belt. And this I bought for 1,200 Australian dollars, but from the boutique, no discount. So I bought this before there was a price increase. So I believe this may or may not have gone up slightly in price. But the reason, let me just peel this off now for you. The reason why I really wanted this one is the color. I mean, how gorgeous is this taupey color? I don't have a belt in this color, and I love the taupe and the gold. It's sort of like a taupe, but with a hint of brown. Maybe it's like mocha. I don't know, but I just think, yeah, 30 Montane Belt. It's not going anywhere. It's got the CD logo. Love it. All right, next up is something in this big box. And no, it didn't actually come with this box because I purchased this pre-loved. So this, you guys know I love buying pre-loved, but sort by new or new with tags. That's how I like to sort it. Sometimes I go excellent condition, but usually I try and find things that are in new condition. And this was brand new. And I love this because when it came out, like a year and a half, maybe even like 2 years ago, I wanted it, but it sold out. And this actually came with the hangers. You know, with Vestiaire, it's cool because sometimes it comes with hangers, sometimes it comes with the full packaging. I've got the full Dior box before, but check this out, guys. I got this Dior hoodie and it's got Dior here, but it's got the floral. This is actually from the men's collection. So hubby and I can share this. What did I? It's got the tags and everything on it. And maybe hubby can't. I thought I got it in a medium. I haven't looked at this for a while. So this is in a small. Again, I did purchase this earlier in the year and I told you I'm going more casual. I would love this. I could absolutely wear this with the pleated skirt that I'm wearing. I think that even though I'm casual, I still like to be casual dressy, if that makes sense. So I would wear this with my pleated skirt and maybe some white sneakers because yes, Mel is getting into sneakers. And so I think originally this, does it even have the original price on this tag? It doesn't. So I think originally, I'm not even sure, but usually Dior hoodies are like in excess of 2,000. I can't remember the original retail price. Maybe it could have been a little bit less. But guys, I got this brand new with tags, with the Dior hanger for 600 Australian dollars. Yes, it is still pricey, but for a brand new Dior item, don't be afraid to look pre-loved and just sort by new or new with tags. And that is how I was able to obtain this hoodie that I actually wanted. And then drum roll, I had alluded to this in one of my Hawaii vlogs. I can't remember. If you haven't seen my Hawaiian series, you know, I extended it for as long as I could. Anyone that's going to Hawaii, do check out that. I've done a whole playlist. But anyway, I found out about this when I was in Hawaii, but they sold out of this particular bag. Yes, it is a bag. And they just completely sold out the minute they got it in. Not to mention they didn't get that many. So I bought the most stunning Dior bag, in my opinion, that is so me. But I actually got it from Australia. So I contacted my SA. It took a while because I had to source it and everything. But it has been sitting in its box for a little bit. So I did get it like maybe mid-January, but I didn't actually get it till, when did I get it? Maybe mid-Feb. But anyway, I ordered it ages ago, and in here, I don't know if you guys can guess, I haven't used it, but it is, dun dun dun. Yes guys, the Lady Dior Wicker Bag. Those of you that have been following me, comes at no surprise, I love wicker. I am obsessed about wicker. I own a Gucci Marmont in wicker. I have a Ferragamo wicker bag. I want to get the Ferragamo Gancini wicker bag in vintage. I just haven't been able to find one yet. Do I own any other wicker bags? Well, I have wicker and straw bags and I am just a huge fan of them. Oh no, I have another wicker bag as well from Wicker Wings that is a bucket shape. But anyway, I'm digressing. This is just fabulous. I love the Lady Dior. It's my favorite bag from Dior. But this is in wicker and I nearly bought the bucket bag that came out. I remember trying it on. I'll put a picture out if I can find it here. And I loved it, but I thought, you know what? I wish it came in a Lady Dior. That is exactly what I had said to my husband. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hold off. And I'm so glad I did. So this wicker bag. Let me undo the little pouch here. Of course, has the little Dior charm, and what makes this different is instead of the flap, it has got this, let me take everything, oh, still got all the packaging in there. Let me take all this out. Hold on, guys. It has got or Dior oblique sort of lining, and this, it sort of just is a drawstring. So it's super easy access. I actually love this. And yeah, so this sold out so quickly in Hawaii. And I believe that it also came in white. I saw it in like a white, as in same wicker, but this part and this part was white. There was a pink version that was really cute as well, but I went with the classic blue. Oh, they came out with a new color in light blue as well. And honestly, because of how popular this was and how quickly it sold out, especially in the classic navy blue, I wouldn't be surprised if they came out with this, if they repeated this again. I mean, who knows, but they came out with this in a smaller size. My prediction, I don't know, but that's what I'm thinking. So let me give you a 360 from the front, side, back. It's even got 4 feet, and I love that it comes with the thicker guitar strap, because absolutely I can use this on my other Dior bags, on my vintage saddle bag, on my Lady Dior black bag, and it is adjustable. So I think that sort of just makes it a little bit edgy, you know? It's like a very classic bag, but a little bit of fun, a little bit of a twist on a classic, I guess, and I love it. Now, price-wise, this is expensive, guys, expensive. So I believe I paid I think 8,600 Australian dollars, so really expensive. Dior's also had price increases, as you know, in late January, but I bought it after the price increase, so I don't know what it was before. So I'm just so wrapped with this because I really wanted it. I kind of had manifested it, and it is just stunning, don't you think? Don't you think this is just so beautiful? And what else did it come with? So dust bag. Oh, I hadn't seen this before, but it even comes with a little Dior book that has, you know, the Lady Dior and everything in there. And I believe, yeah, it's got the authenticity card there. So the Dior booklet has changed as well. The only thing is, usually when it's a Lady Dior, it comes with a swan dust bag, but maybe because it was sort of Christmas, they had the Dior. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I am so happy with this bag. And that concludes my Dior haul. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked some of the outfits that I showed you. I will leave the code down below as well. Thank you so much again to Gentle Herd for partnering with me and gifting me, you know, some of their items to try out. I will definitely be ordering more stuff from them again. I actually really love their quality. And the code that I found was just LTK30 that gets you 30% off. But yeah, guys, with Dior, I love buying from the boutique. I love buying pre-loved. I love buying from other sites. So do check out some of the sites that I mentioned as well. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I think there are going to be quite a few more unboxings coming up soon. Love you heaps. Have a great day or night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.